Good morning. Happy Tuesday and happy math time. I hope you guys are ready to do some more subtraction like we started yesterday. Today I wanted to show you how I draw the disk tens and ones charts because all of us don't have the virtual manipulatives, and it's also nice just to be able to show your work right there in your paper. In the next couple of days, you're going to be asked to do that. So make sure that you've got a way that you're showing your work, whether it's showing it in the vertical method, whether it's drawing the picture, whether it's doing an arrow way. Find some way. I should not, and your teacher should not just see an answer. They should see how you got that answer, because most of these are not mental math anymore. We've gotten to the point in math where we actually have to show our work. So let's get started. We are on lesson 12. If you've got your workbook, we're going to start with B because A is already done for you. So we're going to start with B. So if you want to grab that, pause me for a second and grab your workbook. We'll get a couple of these done together. And I do want to tell you that the little circle with a line on this, that's meant to be a magnifying glass. And they're just telling you to look closely to what's left and what we need to do. So they're just kind of focusing in on that part of the problem. So if that confuses you, why is there's a circle and a little line? It's just supposed to be a magnifying glass. So we're going to start with B, and 20 minus 12. I have 2 10s. I have 0 ones. So if I wrote this vertically, like we did yesterday, I would have to do 0 minus 2. If I have none, I cannot take 2 away. I always say if I have no M&Ms, I can't eat 2. So I have to find some more M&Ms or some more something. So I'm going to take one of these 10s, cross that out, and turn it into 10 ones. So I just traded. It's like taking a dime and trading it for 10 pennies. So now I have one. So if I come down here, I have 1 10 left, and now I have 10 ones. So do you see how I just kind of transferred what I did on my disk chart to my virtual, my vertical, sorry, wrong word, using virtual way too much, my vertical problem. So now I have 10 minus 2. Okay, I always line up my ones place, I line up my tens place. So I'm going to take away 2. So you see when you draw them, you can just cross them out, where on the virtual manipulatives that I used yesterday, I was actually moving them. So sometimes this is just as easy. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So I've got 8 ones left. If I look in my tens place, I have 1 minus 1. So I got to take away the 1. And I have 0. I could put a 0 there. I'm probably not going to, though. I'm just going to put an 8 because we don't have to put a 0. So on the next one, we've got 34 minus 25. So we've got 3 10s and 4 1s. I just draw the discs for the first number when I'm doing subtraction. When I'm adding, I have to draw them all because I'm putting them together. This one I'm taking away that second number, so I don't want to draw that in there. So when I draw it vertically, I have to do 4 minus 5. If I have 4, I can't take 5 away. There's not enough. So I'm going to take a 10 and turn it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Okay, so again, I'm going to come down here to my vertical. I had 3 10s. I took 1 away, so now I have 2 left. I had 4 1s. I added 10 to that, so now I have 14. So now I can do 14 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 9 left. So I've got 9 ones left. I have to do 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 gives me 0. I have 9 ones left. So 9 would be my answer. So to finish out your work today, you're going to finish the rest of that first page. You've got 4 more problems on that side to do. Actually, you have 3 more problems on that side to do. And then I want you to do this top problem on the next page. And it says Terry and Pam both solved the problem 64 minus 49. They came up with different answers and cannot agree on who is correct. Terry answered 25 and Pam answered 15. So you need to explain which one of those kids is correct and why. And I want you to show either with drawing discs, showing with that vertical method, show some way who is correct. Your teacher's going to work on this bottom problem with you in your small group. So if you want to go ahead and challenge yourself and try that and see if you're right, great. If not, you can wait because your teacher's going to work on that in your small group. So have a fantastic day doing lesson 12, and I will see you tomorrow.